rain, rain. Water that falls in droplets from the clouds. Shower, shower. A brief and light rain, often associated with the rainy season. Downpour, downpour. A heavy and sudden rainfall. Drizzle, drizzle. Light rain with very fine droplets. Wet, wet. Covered or saturated with water, often due to rain. Damp, damp. Slightly wet, often used to describe the ground or air during the rainy season. Puddle, puddle. A small pool of water on the ground, typically formed after rain. Thunderstorm, thunderstorm. A rainstorm with thunder and lightning. Lightning, lightning. A flash of bright light caused by electrical discharge during a thunderstorm. Flood, flood. An overflow of water onto land that is usually dry, often caused by heavy rain. Raincoat, raincoat. A waterproof coat worn to protect against rain. Umbrella, umbrella. A device used for protection against rain. It consists of a collapsible canopy supported by a metal frame. Rain boots, rain boots. Waterproof boots designed to keep feet dry during rainy weather. Rain gauge, rain gauge. An instrument used to measure the amount of rainfall during the rainy season. Raindrop, raindrop. A single drop of rain falling from the sky. Mist, mist. Fine droplets of water in the air, causing reduced visibility. Rainbow, rainbow. A colorful arc that appears in the sky when the sun shines through raindrops. Overcast, overcast. The sky covered with clouds, often typical of the rainy season. Petrichor, petrichor. The pleasant earthy smell that often comes after rain. Gutter, gutter. A shallow trough or duct beneath the edge of a roof to carry away rainwater. Splash, splash. The sound and action of water being displaced, often associated with raindrops hitting the ground. Fog, fog. A thick cloud of tiny water droplets near the ground, often occurring during or after rain. Snuggle, snuggle. To get close and comfortable, especially during rainy weather. Cozy, cozy. Feeling warm, comfortable, and safe during rainy days indoors. Soup, soup. A warm and comforting dish often enjoyed during the rainy season.